Hello, Dave here with emergencyprepguy.com. I'm actually standing here in my greenhouse, but behind me the door's open so you can see the yard there. In today's video, I just wanted to show you what it was like when I woke up this morning. It's April 14th, tomorrow's tax day, and it was snowing to beat the band anyway. I'll show you that in a minute. And then I also wanted to show you the little red standard Rex doe that I have had a litter of babies. So here you go. I just wanted to show you guys the joys of living in eastern Idaho. Here it is, April 14th, 2022. About 8:30 in the morning, maybe 9, and it's snowing to beat the band. I'm just filming this with my cell phone as I'm out checking on everybody, and so I apologize if this video is a little shaky. April 14th, 2022, and it's a winter wonderland. Chickens are fine, obviously. They're in there hanging out, drinking water. Quail are doing good. I have them over here in this quail hutch that I had the chuckers in, just so they can finish the chuckers feed. I'm probably going to put the baby chickens that I have in the garage in this other one, kind of as a grow out pen until the chuckers are bigger and need it. Hey buddy, there's my little buck. He's a daddy now. He is. He's officially a daddy. Here's all those little babies. Now these babies are not his babies. Hey, sweetheart. But they're sure cute ones. Hi. Hi, babies. Oh, some other ones want to come over. They're sure cute. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. I try not to get too attached to the babies, but I'm going to probably keep one of these as a doe. Hi, guys. How are you doing? How are you guys doing? These guys are 5 weeks old, 5.5 maybe. I have to look in the calendar. Mama is a super good mama. Hi, sweetie. They're really going through the pellets now. And then this little girl, she's got a couple days and I got to put the nest box in. And I don't know if you can see back there, but the little red doe, she's back nursing her babies. She had her babies this morning. They're all, let me see if I can get a better shot of her for you guys. See, she's back in there nursing her babies in the nest box. I didn't count yet how many she had. Seemed like at least 7, and she had them all in the nest box. None of them were on the wire, so that was good. So hopefully they'll all make it. I'll do a count later. Okay, now she's out. I think I can show you the babies. Little cloth down there. They're awfully cute. Kind of cold, so I don't want to. There they go, little sweeties. Oops. I won't pull them all out. See if I can count how many. Feels like 7. There they are. Okay, it's pretty cold. I'm gonna let him go back in, but I just wanted to show you. Come on, guys. Come back in there. Mama, you're getting kind of nervous, me messing with your babies. There we go. Make sure they're all in there together. We'll let Mama take care of them. This little red standard Rex is being a really good little mama. I'm proud of her. You being a good mama? Okay. Well, my plan for today was to transplant that apricot tree that you see over there in the corner. Get it moved over here by these other fruit trees somewhere where it'll have room to grow, where it won't be in the shading the garden. But I don't think today's the best day for that. It's snowing and it's cold. Okay, well, I hope that was interesting. I appreciate you watching the video all the way to the end. We'll talk to you in the next video.